Welcome to our video on the blockchain, the technology that is revolutionizing the way we store and share information. In this video, we will explore what blockchain is, how it works, and the benefits it provides. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. It uses cryptographic techniques to ensure the integrity and authenticity of data. In a blockchain network, each block contains a set of transactions that are verified by network participants, or nodes. Once verified, the block is added to the chain, creating a permanent, tamper-proof record of the transaction history. Benefits of blockchain. One of the biggest benefits of blockchain is its ability to provide transparency and security. Since each block is connected to the previous block, it is virtually impossible to alter or delete a transaction without detection. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including finance, healthcare, logistics, and more. Its benefits include increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved security. Challenges and limitations of blockchain. Despite its many benefits, blockchain technology still faces some challenges and limitations. One of the biggest challenges is scalability, as current blockchain networks can only handle a limited number of transactions per second. Other challenges include interoperability, privacy concerns, and the energy consumption of blockchain networks. However, many experts believe that these challenges can be overcome with continued innovation and development. Real-world applications of blockchain. Blockchain technology is already being used in a variety of real-world applications. In finance, blockchain is being used for secure and efficient payments and settlements. In healthcare, it is being used for the secure and transparent sharing of medical data. Other industries that are exploring blockchain include supply chain management, voting systems, digital identity, and more. The potential uses for blockchain are truly limitless. Future of blockchain. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, its potential applications and benefits will only continue to grow. From smart contracts and decentralized finance to new business models and governance systems, the future of blockchain is truly exciting. We can expect to see continued innovation and development in the blockchain space, as more and more companies and industries realize the potential of this transformative technology. What do you think are the most exciting potential applications of blockchain technology, and how do you think they will impact our society in the future? Please share your thoughts and insights in the comment box below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video on the blockchain. We hope you found it informative and helpful. To learn more about blockchain and its applications, please visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on the latest technologies.